In the previous video, we have completed drawing the top view as well as front view of the rectangular block. Now we are about to draw the top view of the cone. As you know, the top view of the cone is a circle of 50 mm diameter. So with 5 centimeter as diameter, you have to draw a circle. And after that, you have to identify the center point of the circle, and from that you have to draw the front view of the cone. As you know, the front view should be drawn from here. The height is 60 mm. So from this point you have to take 60, and from this you have to complete the front view of the cone taken. Okay. So without getting into the naming, okay, in this isometric projections, the naming is not a major factor. Okay, I have told earlier also. So as I have told in the previous questions, we have to firstly consider firstly name the portion that is being found in the ground. The section that is placed in the ground is a rectangular block. So name it as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and after that only we have to name the other thing. So draw a horizontal line, take a center point and name it as 1. Take 30 degree towards both the sides. Okay, then you have to mark the distance 4 over here. Then you have to mark the distance 2 over here. You know that the distance in this case, in this case is been different. Towards this side you will be having 4 centimeter. Towards this side you will be having 5 centimeter. So you will be getting a different square. Okay, and later you are having another thing. What is that? Height. The height of the rectangular block is given as 30 mm. So from these 3 points you have to take 30 mm. So this is 30, this is 30 and this is 30. After drawing that much, you have to draw the same lines by using parallel lines, which is parallel. This line is parallel to 1, 4 and this line is parallel to 1, 2. With this, we have to complete the and this point represents, this point is 1 and this point is 2 and this point is 4. And with this, we have to locate the point 3. How we will locate the point 3? By taking the measurement from the triangle that is drawn before, you will be getting the point 3. So now we have drawn the triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, and with this we have completed drawing the isometric view of the rectangular block. After that, our next step is to draw the isometric view of the cone. The cone is resting centrally over to the rectangular block. So now we have to place the circle that you see outside inside a square. Okay, this is to be placed inside a square. Okay, and that particular point is named as 6, 5. The one that is nearer to 1 is named as 5, and this point is named as 6. This point is named as 7, and this point is named as 8. So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4. With the measurements that you have in drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to draw the 5, 6, 7, 8 over here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to draw 5, 6, 7, 8. Point 8 is nearer to this point. You can take this measurement for 8 and draw an arc. 2, 3, you know 2, 3. You can take an arc and there you will be getting the point 7. Okay, near to 1 you are having 0.5. Taking this measurement, 1, 5 measurement, you will be getting 5. Same is applicable here also. You will be getting the 0.6. So you will be getting the triangle 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is, not the triangle, that was a mistake. You will be getting the rectangle which is termed as 5, 6, 7, 8. And inside the rectangle 5, 6, 7, 8, with the method that I have stated earlier in the earlier video, you know the method of drawing the central, the method of drawing the circle inside the cone. Okay, so how we are drawing? So that method is illustrated earlier. Okay, so we have to firstly draw the Firstly, the longest horizontal axis. This is the longest horizontal axis. With this point, you have to draw an arc. With this measurement, you have to draw. Okay. So one point is from here. You'll be having another point from here. You'll be getting another point from this point to this, and another point from this point to this. Okay. With all these measurements, you can complete drawing the circle as such, which is ellipse. Okay. I am not explaining this method of drawing this ellipse, as I will explain the same in. Sorry, this is not the point. This is the point. Okay. As I will explain the same during in the case in the previous videos. Okay. So by this measurement, you have to complete drawing the ellipse, and after drawing this much, you have the center point. With that center point and taking the height. What is the height of the cone? We know that this measurement of the cone is being given in the question as 60 mm. So from this, you have to take a length as 60 mm from this point to this point. The length is height of the cone. You have to take 60 mm, and then you have to find the end point that is touching the line 7, 8 and join it towards this. The end point that is touching the line 2, 3 and join it towards it. So this is the complete answer, and you know that this portion, this line is invisible. The rest of the portion is visible. So with this, we have completed the drawing of a circular cone, and this is how it finally looks. Okay, you can see the rectangular block completely inside, and above the central point you can see the cone, and at the final image you can see that the cone is being placed centrally over to the rectangular block. Thank you.